Solar fans, we are live here in the Madera Ranchos area, and we had just completed another quality solar system install from SunPower by Quality Home Services. Now let me tell you a little bit about this installation, because this client actually sought out about 4 bids before he chose us. And he saw our online views or reviews online rather, and looked at our warranty, our workmanship overall, and our reviews, and said, hey, SunPower by Quality Home Services, I want to choose you to do my solar system. So, and I want to talk about that. Let's take a look at the quality, and that really matters when you're looking at a solar system. Let's take a look. It's the low profile mounting system, and it's, you look at it and you just want to see solar panels. You don't want to see conduit coming out. You don't want to see the junction boxes. You don't want to see mid clamps. Just nice, beautiful panels producing green, renewable energy. That's really what we want to see. And you just see the panels, the beautiful SunPower panels. He looked at the history of the company. We've been around since 1985. And, we were basically the innovators in solar power. So after he made the decision to go with us, one thing that really became clear is he needed to go solar now. The new regulations being put in, considered right now by the California Public Utilities Commission, is the new net metering 3.0, and it could cost even solar customers that don't go solar by then a lot more money per month. So there is an absolute demand to go solar now. So don't get caught short. And also this month, through the end of this month, January 31st, 2022, we have double your referral bonus. That's right, $800 when you refer somebody to go solar once their solar system is installed. I know this is throwing a lot of information at you. I get that. But give us a call. Get a no-hassle consultation. My name is Chris. I'm a solar sales consultant. We have a whole team of very qualified solar professionals that have been in the industry a long time. Find out why SunPower by Quality Home Services is truly the leader in the Central Valley in solar system installations. I mean, you can see from this, the client is very excited. He has a beautiful system. He's going to be producing great renewable green energy. I mean, why not with the big utilities just charging their massive rates, and it's looking to increase down the road very, very soon. So double your referral bonus, $800, quality installation, 25-year warranty. There is no reason not to go with SunPower by Quality Home Services. For more information, go to sunpowerbyqhs.com, and we look forward to the next installation.